take a look at this DVD Express. Came out, it was for Microsoft Windows 98, but it did work in XP. Does MPEG-2 DVD stuff. This is the one, it can actually record straight to a DVD off the computer, which I done, which did it quite nicely actually. Just as good as a DVD recorder, although sometimes better than a DVD recorder. A lot of the DVD recorders, I remember talking to them at Future Shop, and they said that they get returned because either people don't know how to use them, or so just that thing just slides right out there. Here's the device itself. It has like the light on the front for capture, ADS, and I've done some Googling and searching. I can't find anything about that company. They just, and this one here only has video in. I have another one that does video out. That was my grandfather's. He had the more expensive model, of course. And the thing that I was interested about this mostly is it had USB to video and S video in, but it required its own power source, unlike the EasyCap and some of the more modern devices. So there is the device itself, and I actually like this device better than the USB cable, than the what was that one last one there? The ATI device. So it has its discs that it comes with, DVD Express, and I guess it had some video editing software, but I don't think I was actually using this much for video editing. It was just mainly for converting DVDs, because that's what this thing is specialized in. But you could put videos into the editor, and it's kind of a weird box where everything's kind of like an old game box where it has like stuff in there and you just slide it out, like the game would fit in there. An Atari 2600 box, and then it's just the your regular power supply. I'm not even bother getting that out. So yeah, this is before I had a DVD recorder. I used this, and yeah, it worked pretty decently. It's a shame that it doesn't work in Linux. That's the one thing I tried to do in a lot of my videos and stuff, is to get things like this to work in Linux, but it's more of a driver issue. Even in OBS Studio, I couldn't really get it to recognize this device. But it's worth a shot, worth a try. And but I remember, I believe in Windows, must have been this device I used, or maybe it was the ATI. Because I don't know if you remember Yahoo Chat, and they had the video webcam thingies, and I remember it was either this or the ATI Express. I was able to connect video via this thing, and basically run a VCR videotape over Yahoo Chat webcam and MSN, and it also worked with Microsoft Messenger. But those two services, I don't know anyone who uses those anymore. It's all about Facebook Messenger video chat now. But anyway, that's that thing.